Microcontroller. Now this is the on-off switch for the controller. This is a weld, no weld switch. When you want to try, you can put it on no weld and then take a trial. When you want to weld, you put it on the weld side. This is a single repeat switch that is not to be used. Now we will show you the current setting. Now this is the current setting. For your job, we have kept current at about 55%. This is a setting button. When you press this set button, this squeeze time will glow. Squeeze time you can adjust by this way, like that. Then again you press the button, you will find the weld time glowing. Weld time also you can set like this. For your job 4 cycles is more than enough. Then you press again, you will find the forging time glowing. For forging time also you can increase or decrease, but 10 cycles is good for the forging time. Now this you press it. Now this, when you see AC01, means the program is set for welding. So this is how you can set the welding controller.